So the first thing we need to do is log in. Once you log in, you'll be able to see that you have a class starting. You'll also be able to see any classes that you are ready to have previewed. Previewing a class is not only required, but it is also very important to your teaching ability. It will help you get better ratings as you prepare and preview more in advance to give you ample amounts of time to research and think about how you would like to properly teach this lesson. You are only able to preview a lesson if the class is more than 10 minutes in advance to starting. Once you are within the 10-minute marker of starting your class, you are now able to do the join class. You are no longer able to preview that class. So it is very important that you preview the classes more than 10 minutes in advance to your class starting. Once you click preview, you will enter the classroom. Be sure, however, that if you are close to starting class, you must exit the preview classroom and rejoin the class. This is a requirement because if you do not exit the preview class, you are in the incorrect class. You will not see your students. However, we're going to enter our preview class and get ready to teach. So now we can see all the functions that we will see later on.